Hello friends, today I will discuss the electric welding equipment. So the block diagram is like this. This is the welding machine. So the welding machine may be AC or a DC, and here is the welder, and this is the electrode cable, and this is the work cable from welding machine, and this is the electrode holder, and this electrode holder will hold the electrode. This is the electrode, and this electrode is consumable material. So at higher temperature, when arc is formed, this melts with the work so that they join together. When we look at the machine, it looks like this. This is a constant current power supply. It may be DC supply or AC power supply. And from this, you'll find the two cables. One is called the electrode lead, and this is the electrode holder, and this electrode holder will hold the welding electrode, which is a consumable material. And similarly here, this is the work lead, and this is the ground clamp, which clamps the or holds the work to be welded. And these are the two parts which are to be welded using the electrode. So this is welding electrode. So at higher temperatures, this electrode also melts, and not only that, this work metal also melts, so that this metal and this metal will become fluid and they form the weld. And this is the real metal machine that we find in the industry. And when we show all the components, we can say like this: welding machine means it is a AC machine or a DC machine, which gives the constant current. And similarly, electrode holder means it holds the welding electrode. And similarly, electrode cable means it is nothing but a connecting wire from the welding machine to the electrode. And similarly, work cable, this is nothing but the cable connected from the DC welding machine to the work. And similarly, work lead and ground clamp and welding electrode means which is a consumable rod that melts and becomes the part of the welding joint. And electric arc is nothing but high temperature plasma created between the electrodes and the workpiece, which generates the lot of heat needed to melt the metals together to form the welding. So all these nothing but components of the welding machine, as we described in the diagram earlier.